What's the meaning of coolness? Coolness. Coolness.
Coolness. Coolness. The term coolness refers to a state of being fashionable, attractive, or socially acceptable. It is often associated with a sense of confidence and composure, as well as a certain level of nonchalance or detachment. Being cool can also imply a certain degree of rebelliousness or edginess, as cool individuals are often seen as pushing the boundaries of what is considered normal or acceptable. Ultimately, coolness is a subjective and constantly evolving concept that is shaped by cultural, social, and personal factors.